Can you see better with the, oh, you're putting the sun, nice.
Okay, we're ready. What's up and, oh my God. Okay, so I don't think I got enough cornstarch on me, so we're just gonna.
Baby powder?
Yep, perfect. All right, so.
Why don't you just rub that in a little bit?
This is the messiest video already, and we haven't even started, all right?
Pour that cornstarch in your head right now. I
What?
dare you. Pour that
Oh my God, he dared.
cornstarch
Dude!
on your head.
Might as well just go for it. Oh my God. Dude, oh jeez.
You did it. You did it.
I actually kind of don't want to touch my phone. Oh my God, there's lots of cornstarch in my phone. Oh, my Razr phone. No! Look at my sunglasses.
It doesn't come off when you blow it either.
It just makes Oobleck because I'm spitting into.
I'm dying. I can't hold the camera straight. Okay, we're good.
Okay, I just can't see it all.
Yeah.
It'll be good. What's up and welcome to another episode of GizmoSlip. So in today's video, our goal is to fill a balloon full of Oobleck and then put an iPhone in the balloon of Oobleck and see if that balloon of Bleck can protect the phone from a 50-foot drop test off my roof. The reason why we're doing it off my roof instead of the drone is because damn it! It was so perfect!
Yeah, it was.
The reason why we can't put the balloon iPhone case in the drone is because the phone would settle down to one side of the balloon. It would not be in the center. So we're gonna have to go up to the roof. I'm gonna try to center the phone in the middle and then throw it off the building. Today, we're not doing just one, but two iPhone XS's. It's gonna be freaking epic. Let's get started. Big shout out to our sponsor Casetify for providing the iPhones for this test, as well as these awesome cases. One of those XS's will be in one of these Casetify cases. This is really cool. They use this like rubber band strap to keep the box together. Open it up, and there is our Casetify case. Now, Casetify is so confident in their case, they want me to go ahead and drop test this from 6 feet or my head height in 3, 2, 1. Now, if you're not familiar with Casetify, Casetify is a brand that's all about protecting your iPhone while not limiting you in how you express yourself. Now, they've tested these cases to 2 times the height of the military standard drop test, which is 6.6 feet, which is really impressive. Their cases are engineered with their trademark Key Tech material for ultimate drop test protection. If you want to go check it out, I'll have a link in the video description, and on top of that, there's a coupon code for an extra discount. Go ahead and take a look at the iPhone XS here. Seriously, Apple did a great job with the design this year. I love the gold. Ooh. Try to get this cleaned off a bit more. Okay, well, let's see what this looks like without a whole bunch of Oobleck on it. That does look pretty freaking classy. I'm not gonna lie. I actually really like that case. Removes the camera bump. It's like perfectly flat. Okay, well, let's start by trying to put an iPhone in this balloon. Will it fit?
Hey.
We're in. Let's start putting cornstarch in.
Ratios, cornstarch to balloon to...
Oh, well, the balloon's rubbed.
Ah, it's ruptured. It's looking good, it's looking good. Ah, I knew it, I knew it.
Oh my God.
I have to drive home in my car. You have a house to clean yourself. I'm gonna have to, no.
You're gonna have to.
You dropped it.
No, I
oh, in my ear.
Where are you going?
I don't know.
Oh,
I have an empty one. Oh, that's so much. This is ridiculous. This is a mess, dude.
We are ready to go shopping. These balloons are not stretchy enough. We need some higher quality balloons.
We need some very stretchy balloons that come in multiple sizes.
We need to go. What he said.
Let's go now. Let's get out of here.
Carla just got home.
Oopsie.
This is bad. Okay, time to get out of here.
Go.
Can you?
Do you have your wallet?
Yeah, I got my wallet.
Okay. I've never rode one of these, so this is the best time to do it.
I don't have very good vision right now.
Oh my gosh! This is the worst idea ever!
Pretty sure there's just cornstarch flying off me, especially at the beginning. Oh my God, Chad is so slow. You can do it, Chad! This is happening. Okay. Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, look, here's some really high quality balloons.
Oh, these would probably be extra stretchy, right?
Now, this is the balloon I normally get for all my projects.
No.
This is seriously the best quality balloons money can buy.
Just another Saturday, right?
Is it about to ask you guys what you're doing?
We got a little carried away
Yeah,
when we were
did.
making the
We were making
Oobleck.
the
It's
Oobleck.
no big deal though. Sorry if we get any cornstarch everywhere.
Yeah.
Do you guys know what Oobleck is? Anyway, our goal is to fill a balloon up, so we're getting like the best quality balloons money can buy here.
Yeah.
Let's go. You need a bag for your Magnum?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Not Magnums, highest quality balloons money can buy.
Yeah, these are balloons, man.
Thank
Have
you.
fun with that.
All right, we will.
You got me. Have a great day, guys.
Have a good one.
Have you ever like made a fool of yourself?
Back to the house. Here we go. Hello.
That was fun.
We're back. We've got the world's strongest balloons. Okay, so we've got some excellent high quality balloons here. So hopefully these have the stretchiness that we need. Look at how premium these balloons are. They come wrapped in like aluminum wrapping. They're really, really premium.
Yep.
I don't know why these balloons always come a little slimy.
Pre-Oobleck. Oh, you already broke it.
Dang it.
These are.
Okay, we gotta just be a little more gentle with them. They're strong, but wrap it and maybe just like put it on and then like, you know, unroll it.
Maybe you should double layer it or something.
It's ripped.
Oh my god. Oh, that looks so much worse. It's gonna say better. Doing my best,
Oh, yeah,
man.
it's good, it's good, it's good.
You know the Oobleck man.
The Oobleck man, the Oobleck man.
Well,
Okay, check it out. So,
we have to do a whole nother one of these.
yeah, this is feeling very Ooblecky. Like, look at it when I press into
Yeah.
it. Try
Do
putting
inside.
this inside.
Oh, I'm so worried. Oh.
Oh my god. Careful, don't pull on it.
Yeah.
Let it down more.
Oh, it's in there.
Siri's talking. Here, we need to tie this sucker off.
Look at that.
We're Ooblecked and we're ready to go. All right, now we gotta do the next one. Okay, we're pre-mixing the Oobleck this time, seeing if this works better.
I think this is the way to do it. Oh, whoa. Oh no.
our
It's looking so good.
Well, right as we were tying it, it broke on the tie, right here at the tie point.
Oh yeah. Okay, be careful. This is that moment.
Okay, so we got.
Oh no! Catch it!
Catch it! Catch it! Oh my god!
No, again? Oh, what happened? Oh, that's impossible.
You gotta dig it up.
I'm
Dig it.
trying. I'm
You gotta
getting it.
Dig underneath it. Oh, what happened, dude?
I don't know. It was perfect.
was
Don't let that
perfect.
one break.
Oh my god! Oh no!
Oh no! Are you joking me? Oh no! Stop it! Oh, you're the worst.
Alright, give me your head.
Now I need a shower, dude. God, I have to drive home in this. Let's go to my back. Woo! Okay, so let's go this way. Let's go! You're getting me!
I'm trying not to.
Oh, less water.
You got some more on your face.
This is not the end of this. I don't know how, but this is not the end. Ah! Get away from me!
Right off the top.
Oobleck monster.
So these super strong, high quality balloons are not working either.
We could try to do it one more time if we double balloon them.
We're running out of high quality balloons.
Do we have enough to double balloon them? If we don't, then we're done.
No, we got some more.
Okay.
Spoon it a little bit. You have to push it in.
Yeah, I think it's getting
It's
big enough.
pushing-
though.
it's
getting
pushing
better
out.
now. I think the double balloon is the way
Quickly,
to go.
gotta go out.
You just gotta make sure. Remember, we stretch it. Oh. Okay, I got the top closed. Now we can take our time. We got the top closed. Oh my gosh, the camera is messy. I'm messy. The ground is messy. The table is messy. But we got it in.
We're good.
Okay, let's tie
This
it
is
off.
looking. We're gonna drop this one before we drop the next one because last time it just broke the moment we picked it up. So.
Okay. Was that a judgmental oh man?
Oh man.
Oh man.
What do you think
This
about me
guy
doing this?
thinks it's gonna break, but then he's doing that.
Okay, will the iPhone 10 survive?
Yes.
I think also yes. I believe in the power of the. So
I believe
that's a
in the
double,
power of the Oobleck.
That's a double yes. Kicking it up to drop. Here we go.
Okay.
Do we dare Chad to go on this date like this tonight?
No way.
Yes.
No
Yes.
way.
Dude, you look like designer clothes, man.
Do I?
So. Oh my god, I can't believe we're doing it like this.
Huh?
Oh my god, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at it melt. Oh, that's super sick. Okay, so we're just gonna leave that phone there and wait to drop both of them before we evaluate either device. Oh my God. All right, put it in.
Slow and steady. What's
So
the race?
it's so wide.
Awesome. Just don't break, please.
Oh, look at
gonna start.
that. Oh, okay, we are good. We are good on the second one as well.
Yes.
Look at that. Careful. Cradle it like a baby.
Like a little baby, Oobleck.
Oh yeah. Okay, don't break it.
You don't break it. Okay, going down.
Oh my God. The Casetify case with the iPhone 10 inside. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, it just hits and then it melts, dude. Oh, it just hits and then it melts, dude. Look at it melt. Oh my God. Woo. Here it comes. Oh my God.
It looks like a turtle.
It looks like a little fat gulper. It looks like a fat gulper. Look at that little nose too.
And then he just gets ripped apart.
And then
Poor guy.
just dissolves. And then of course,
The turtle
now
loses
it's just
his face.
nothing.
Oh, that doesn't look like a turtle.
Stop. Okay, we have not looked at either of these yet. Let's take a look. Oh,
Duck,
it's
dude.
still stuck to. Oh my God, it's really stuck to the ground. Oh, look, it's still going. That is looking fan-freaking-tastic. Let's go ahead and put this on the side real quick and check out the one without a case.
Oh yeah. Oh no, it does not look like it fared as well.
Oh my God, is that glass? I've got glass on my finger.
Yowzers.
Oh, okay, we gotta be careful here.
Yeah, that
I'm
did
gonna
not.
try to lift this up real carefully. Is there glass? Oh my God!
That's bad.
This is not good.
That's a dead phone.
That's
dude.
it. That's bad. All right, let's try turning it on. Oh, you can't even press it. Ow! Oh my! You can't even press this button in.
Oh no way!
Oh, it's
partial
partially
survival.
Oh,
It works on the bottom.
It's somehow
it's-
still semi-functional. Okay, let's go ahead and get this thing washed off. We're looking good. Front and back glass not shattered. Let's go ahead and rinse it. It is in perfect condition. It's great that a case this thin can have military grade protection considering how thin and light it is. Big thumbs up from me. I'm so pasty. Oh my God. Don't forget to check out Casetify cases. There's a coupon code down below. Comparing these two phones, this one got absolutely wrecked. This one's in perfect condition. We'll see you guys in the next episode. Brandon and Chad Meister out. Bye-bye. This is gonna be a lot of editing.